Welcome to NBC Institute. Today, we're going to show you how to apply your exclusive discount code to unlock premium features in our question bank. Start by visiting our website at nbcinstitute.com. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to the question bank pricing page by selecting it from the main menu. On this page, you'll see our available plans. Take a moment to review the options, then choose the plan that best suits your needs. For this example, we're selecting the starter plan. Next, click on Sign Up to continue. On the checkout page, enter your personal details, including your name, email, and password. This information will help set up your account with NBC Institute. Now, scroll up to the top of the page and click Show Order Summary. This will open a box where you can apply your discount code. In the coupon code box, type your coupon code. I will enter ICAG as my coupon code and click Apply. You'll see the discount immediately reflected in the total price. Now that your discount has been applied, click Next to continue to the payment step. In this section, enter your payment details, including your billing address and card information. Make sure all your details are correct before proceeding. Here, you'll need to select your payment option. You can choose either mobile money or card. In this example, we'll use card. Enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Double-check your information to ensure accuracy. To complete your payment securely, you'll need to authenticate it. Select either SMS or email for the authentication method. For this example, we'll use SMS. You'll receive a one-time password, OTP, via SMS. Enter this OTP code in the provided field to verify your payment. Once you've entered your OTP, finalize the payment and your purchase will be complete. You're now ready to access thousands of past questions and premium features at a discounted rate. Thank you for choosing NBC Institute to support your ICAG exam preparation. Happy studying and good luck. Remember, success is just a click away at nbcinstitute.com.